Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in a kettle. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, a clean electric kettle, and a small bowl. Also, have a slotted spoon and some paper towels nearby for when your delicious eggs are ready. This method is surprisingly easy and perfect for a quick, satisfying meal. Now, let's prepare the water. Fill your electric kettle with approximately 3/4 of a liter of water. Bring it to a full, rolling boil, then switch it off. It's crucial to let the water cool for about 1 minute. This brings the temperature down to the ideal range of 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, perfect for gentle poaching. With the water ready, it's time to poach. Crack one fresh egg into a small bowl or ramekin. This helps maintain its shape. Gently lower the bowl into the kettle, allowing the egg to slide into the hot, but not boiling, water. Poach each egg for about 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly soft, runny yolk. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, gently remove it from the kettle using a slotted spoon. Carefully drain any excess water on a paper towel to avoid a soggy plate. Serve your beautifully poached egg immediately on a piece of warm toast or alongside your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Enjoy your simple, delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.